Important deal story that is likely to be concluded in 2 weeks' time. American retail giant Walmart's acquisition of a majority stake in homegrown e-commerce giant Flipkart is not a done deal yet, but it appears to be close to completion, and that CNBC TV 18 learns is enough for Walmart to begin planning. That integration will follow. We learned that American giant is working with Bain and Company and other consultants for this integration, which is expected to be of global proportions. CNBC TV 18's Priya Sheth is here with exact details. Priya, what are your sources telling you in terms of what Walmart is planning in terms of the integration?
Well, absolutely. There is already significant momentum as far as the integration of the merged entity is concerned. In fact, what we do understand from our sources is that Walmart is likely to be working or has mandated Bain and Company to help with the integration of the merged entity post the deal with Flipkart. Of course, we also do understand that there are other global consultants who've also been helping with the strategy as far as the deal is concerned. Now, here's what the consultants are doing. They're working on formulating a potential management structure of the merged entity. They're also helping with and drawing up several different scenarios as far as the board composition is concerned of the merged entity. And apart from this, they're also looking at several operational structures that could be put into place, as well as the consolidation of several verticals of business of the merged entity. Cost efficiencies, logistics, as well as supply chain integration are also some other issues that are being ironed out with the consultants as we speak. In fact, we did reach out to all the companies. Walmart had no comments as far as the query is concerned. Bain and Company said that Bain, as a matter of policy, does not confirm or deny who may or may not be their client. Flipkart did not respond to our query.
Okay, fair enough, Priya. Thanks for joining in with that important news break. But, sticking to this very deal, as the buzz of a deal between Walmart and Flipkart gets louder, we understand from sources that the legendary founder of Softbank, Masayoshi Son, has met with Walmart's global CEO to finalize a deal. Now, remember that Softbank, with its 20% stake in Flipkart, was holding out for a better offer, and we understand that over the course of the last few days itself, the two CEOs, that is the founder of Softbank as well as Doug McMillon, who's the president and CEO of Walmart, have decided to reach an agreement. India is a critical business for them, and Softbank has agreed to sell 10% stake. The exact value of the shares and the 10% stake is still in contention and still being discussed, but we do understand that they're likely to exit 10%, so they will stay with that 10% remaining stake that they hold in Flipkart. They are not looking at a complete exit yet, and in fact may at a later date look at a further investment in the company. Just to put this into perspective, the investors that will be exiting will include Tiger Global, Naspers, and several other players that had invested very early on into Flipkart. And the players that will not be selling stake will be Tencent, that is China's global private equity giant, as well as one and two of the founders. That's what we're picking up from our sources. And we will